The Complete Guide to the Ketogenic Diet for Health and Longevity is a book written by Maria Emmerich. The book provides a comprehensive overview of the ketogenic diet, including its history, benefits, and how to follow the diet properly. It also includes recipes, meal plans, and tips for success on the diet. The book covers the science behind the ketogenic diet, including how it can help with weight loss, improve health markers, and potentially treat certain medical conditions. It also provides guidance on how to follow the diet while still getting all the nutrients you need to maintain good health, and includes tips for overcoming common challenges on the diet. The book also contains a variety of recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and desserts, as well as meal plans to help people get started on the diet. The recipes are designed to be easy to make, tasty, and healthy, and include options for those with different dietary restrictions, such as gluten-free or dairy-free diets. The Complete Guide to the Ketogenic Diet for Health and Longevity is a good resource for anyone interested in the ketogenic diet and looking for practical guidance and recipes to help them get started and succeed on the diet. However, as with any diet, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle. Additionally, the book also emphasizes the importance of a well-formulated ketogenic diet, as well as the need to monitor one's own health markers and adjust the diet as needed to ensure optimal health and longevity. The book includes information on how to track ketosis and how to adjust the diet to achieve optimal results. Overall, the Complete Guide to the Ketogenic Diet for Health and Longevity is a comprehensive and practical resource for anyone interested in the ketogenic diet, from those who are new to the diet to those who are more experienced and looking for new recipes and meal plans. However, as with any diet, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if the ketogenic diet is safe and appropriate for you, and to ensure you are getting all the nutrients you need for good health. The Complete Guide to the Ketogenic Diet for Health and Longevity provides information on how to track ketosis, which is an important aspect of following the ketogenic diet. Here are some common ways to track ketosis. Urine testing. The most simple and inexpensive way to test for ketosis is to use urine test strips. These strips measure the presence of ketones in your urine, which indicate that your body is producing ketones and using them as fuel. Blood testing. Another way to test for ketosis is to use a blood ketone meter. This involves pricking your finger and using a small device to measure the level of ketones in your blood. Breath testing. Another option is to test for ketosis using a breath meter. This involves breathing into a device that measures the level of acetone, a type of ketone, in your breath. The book provides additional information on how to use these methods to track ketosis and how to interpret the results. It is important to keep in mind that the level of ketones in your body can fluctuate, so it is recommended to test at different times throughout the day, such as after waking up, before a meal, and after a meal. It is also important to keep in mind that while tracking ketosis can be helpful, it is not the only indicator of whether you are following the ketogenic diet correctly and getting all the nutrients you need for good health. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help ensure that you are following the diet in a safe and effective manner. The Complete Guide to the Ketogenic Diet for Health and Longevity provides a variety of recipes and meal plans to help people following the ketogenic diet. The recipes are designed to be healthy, tasty, and easy to make, and include options for those with different dietary restrictions, such as gluten-free or dairy-free diets. Here are some of the foods that can be included in a ketogenic diet, as suggested by the book. Meat and poultry, grass-fed beef, chicken, turkey, and other meats are a good source of protein and healthy fats. Fish and seafood, salmon, sardines, mackerel, and other fatty fish are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Low-carb vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and other low-carb vegetables are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Healthy fats, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado, and other healthy fats can be used for cooking and added to meals for extra flavor and nutrients. Nuts and seeds, almonds, macadamia nuts, chia seeds, and other nuts and seeds are a good source of healthy fats and fiber. Dairy products, Full-fat dairy products, such as cheese, cream, and butter, can be consumed in moderation as part of a ketogenic diet. The book provides a variety of recipes that incorporate these and other foods, and includes meal plans to help people get started on the diet. The recipes include options for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and desserts, and are designed to help people enjoy a variety of foods while still following the ketogenic diet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. For purchasing the book, the link is in the comments section for your convenience.